We are here today to commemorate the victims of the Soviet mass deportations that scarred our continent and that continues to impact generations of Europeans. We are here to remember the 6 million people who were displaced, thousands of miles away from their homes, and forced to live in remote territories of Siberia and Central Asia. In the words of Perla Prušakaitė, deported from Lithuania as a child, we were like one family. These words have stayed with me, as we are reminded by the presence of Serhii Ivanchuk, who will soon perform and share his story. There are today still members of our European family in Ukraine who are fighting for freedom and survival, even in a tragic echo, facing deportation. That is why we must step up our efforts for peace and our continued support for Ukraine. We must remember the names of these victims and keep telling their stories, because Europe really is built, dear friends, on their shoulders.
Noriu padėkoti Europos parlamentui, kad ir jūs atsimenate šitam Europos vidury šitos sunkius mūsų Lietuvos ir kitų tautų tremčių metus.
People of Lithuania and other countries had to go through.
Reading the names of victims of deportation, only a fraction of the unbearable total. And for me, it is always a deeply emotional and powerful experience. Away from their homes and forced to live in remote territories of Siberia and Central Asia. Many of those deported never came back. Thank you to Rasa Yuknevitsiene, who is the mastermind behind this annual celebration, commemoration, memory. I give the floor now to Ms. Diranie Viedala. The floor is yours.
Kurie apie tremtį žinote tik tai iš istorijos vadovėlių.
Today is a very special day for me. Alongside many people, and amongst those names, will be the names of my family members. Today, a victim of Russian aggression, and my mother, Jadwiga Malokaitė, were deported to Siberia in October 1951. Siberia, we cherished deep love for our country, and we prayed to God.
Numalšinus partizaninį pasipriešinimą Lietuvoje, aš tuomet nesuvokiau savo šeimos likimo. Tai buvo taiga. Ir prasimaitindavomės, labai turtinga gamta buvo.
I am proud to introduce Serhii Ivanchuk from Ukraine. He underwent a long recovery in Germany to return to music against all the odds.
One struck in my life. I should not be alive. For that, the NKVD come for here, liaison for the Ukrainian insurgent army. His story still haunts me. Let one more name be heard today. My grandmother, Olga Ivanchuk.
Gintautas Povilas Barauskas. Helia Aun.
Gunther Albrecht.
Karolis Mažulis, Stasys Mažulis, Liuda Urbonienė, Vaino Koel,
Александърс Церинч, Владимир Дуковски, Лайош Ричеje,
Mikhail Voinicki, Liongina Linartaitė,
Gunter Eškirt, Gnat Aksenenko,
Vasil Anisovets, Petr Poleščiuk, Kristina Grabštunovič, Eino Kurvic, Austris Cirulis,
Ansis Birkensteins, Onisi Feschenko,
Frančiska Cemkevič, Peter Eberle, Stepas Pabreža, Marija Sitan, Janis Mucaneks, Teodors Vanaks, Olga Polavtjeva, Ferenc Kovač, Tadeusz Malecki,
Joachim Arnhip, Bertrand Suto, Jadwiga Szuszwilo, Günther Frenzel,
3-6 Arvids Rudolfs Siepols, Mendel Moldaver, Sandor Siti,
Leonid Leonov, Janos Niomo, Elena Kalichak,
Janina Molak,
Hans Berger, Vladislav Adamczyk,
Fedot Čujko,